Hi you guys, today I am going to be playing with slime and I'm going to be making the biggest bubbles that I've ever made before. So let's get started. Okay, now, hold on. Okay, now let's get started. So, well, first bubble. Let's see if I can make one. Okay, first try busted. Okay. Yes, did it. Okay, now let's try to make it pop. I don't like you. No, can you? Thank you. Now, roll. I caught it. Okay. Now, second try. Did it. Whoa! I almost fell. I made a bubble and then I fell out of the chair. That was funny. Okay. And then the slime fell. A tiny one, but it went off camera. It's a baby. Hold on. I'm gonna pop it. Hold on. Yeah. I'm gonna pop it. I did it. Okay. Next bubble. I didn't even make one. That was a big pop. There's so many tiny bubbles in it, and then I pop them when I do it. It got all over my hand. A piece of slime just flew across the room. Ooh! There, I got to pick the bubble up. It keeps on getting stuck. The slime looks so weird on camera, but in real life it's so beautiful. Ow. There. Perfect. Okay. Oh my goodness! And there's even a mini one. Wow! That was the second biggest bubble I've ever made. The first was off camera. Off camera, I was practicing. I don't know if that's how the song goes, but what was that sound? I keep on trying so hard to make bubbles and then they just go, nope. Hey. Okay. This has to make a bubble. Yay! Oh, you didn't see it. I made a big one. Can you get off of my finger? I keep on getting so confident and then it doesn't work. I'm trying so hard. Oh! Tapped it. Get off. Thanks. Oh, can I please just make a bubble? Imagine next time I say, I'm never gonna make a bubble, I do it. That's always the case. See, I told you. Hold on. Oh yeah, I just destroyed that bubble. I'm never gonna make one. I saw a hole in it. I wasn't even hanging on and it went whoop. I'm never gonna make one. I was right. What was that? Squeak! My goodness. Okay. Now I'm just gonna spread this out. Okay. How? Okay. I just had to pop that tiny bubble. Yes! That was a lot of pops after. When will I be able to do it? Well, I just did it, but I haven't done it before that in a long time. I just made one, but then I popped it. Ooh, ooh, look. I'm popping. Finally got off. When can I ever make a bubble? It Okay. It was dripping off. When will I ever be able to make a bubble? I can't make any bubbles. Oh my goodness! Oh, holy moly! Sorry if there's footsteps. I have siblings. They're trying their best to be quiet though. Okay. I'm in. Oh my goodness. That bubble that I made earlier at least had to be a foot big. A foot long is what I meant. I can't make any like 2 feet or above, but hey! Oh, thanks. Okay. Hey! Oh! Yay! Oh, I got it. I got it. I caught it. I'm glad I caught it. It almost got on my pants. Hopefully I can make a bubble. Whoa, that was gigantic. I wish you guys could have seen the whole thing. I have to make a good bubble. Okay, got it. Oh my goodness, that would have been bad. I'm gonna try this with a different slime. I'm about to try this with a different slime. Okay, 3 more trying to make bubbles. And then I'll try with a different slime. It ripped. Stop ripping. Ooh, there's one. So many bubbles. Just popped 3. Oh yeah. One more. Oh. Okay. One more bubble. One more bubble. Okay. Next line. many bubbles. There's so many bubbles. Look how many bubbles. I don't know if you could see, but okay. Let's try with this slime. No, I don't think this one can do bubbles. Let's find out. Well, if it can make many bubbles in the slime, then ooh. Oh, I thought it was a bubble. Look at it. Don't you see it? Right there. Oh yeah. I think we should switch back to the other slime. Yeah, I think we should switch back. Hold on. It must be the dogs. We have a lot of dogs. Look at this slime. This slime, hold on. Can you guys see that? This slime used to be blue. Very blue. Like dark, dark blue. But it's a light blue. Oh, and sorry about the sounds. They're like, woo! That's just a smell thing. Makes the house smell good. Back to this one. Yeah, the other one definitely can't make bubbles. This one can. Oh yeah. Well, okay. Yeah, I'll put that to the side. Well, bye you guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button and all. See you all next time. Goodbye.